Hello everyone, this is Pakshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to talk to you about the dresses for people of big sizes. I decided to shoot this video because a lot of people ask me to show you how to sew dresses for people of big sizes and tell about the most suitable designs. There are a lot of fashion bloggers on the internet. They all tell us what to wear. They have a lot of advice for people for big sizes. I'm not even talking about elderly people. I'll talk about that later. Anyway, what I want to talk to you about is how to sew dresses for people of big sizes. People often ask me how to do it. I don't know. I don't know what's the difference about the dresses for people of big sizes and slim people. We always work really hard in my fashion house. We have a lot of customers. The tailors are always busy. Imagine we were telling people what to wear. You're slim, so you have to wear this. You're not slim, so you have to wear that. Oh, you're not only a big size, but you're also 50? You would never look good. Could you imagine us talking this way to our customers? We try to help everyone look good. We find designs which suit people. What do you mean by saying this is a dress for people of big sizes? I don't know. The designs of the dresses are the same. The only thing which is different are the measurements. I've been sewing for more than 40 years. I have a fashion house. I don't know what a dress for people of big sizes is. If I want to sew something for myself, I don't Google designs for people of big sizes. I just look for a design which I like and sew this garment. Same thing with Inga. We don't read any special magazines for people of big sizes. We are not the only people of big sizes in my fashion house. We don't treat them any different from the other customers. We don't tell them that they should buy clothes in special shops. We take measurements, make basic patterns, and think of the ways to make people look different and beautiful. We make a mock-up and have a close look at a body. We decide whether we should make waist tucks or not, whether we should attach shoulder pads or not. I've recently showed you my dresses of simple designs. One of the dresses was pretty close fitting at the bust and flared down from this point, for about 5 centimeters up from the waist. The thing is that even though the dress was flared, it wasn't too wide. What is a dress for a person of a big size? Some want to show their legs, so the dresses shouldn't be long. Some want to hide their legs, so they wear pants with tunic dresses, for example. The most important thing is that a woman should be different and beautiful. It doesn't matter whether she is slim or not. To be honest, the hardest thing to do is to sew for the very skinny girls. It's very hard to make clothes fit skinny people perfectly. It doesn't matter whether you're slim or of a big size. I honestly don't classify people this way. I know that I'm believed to be fat, but I honestly don't think that I am. No one is. It doesn't matter whether you're slim or of a big size. You need to decide which types of necklines are the best for you, which colors suit you better. There is just one advice for people of big sizes. Learn to combine different garments and create outfits. If your hips are pretty wide, but the upper part of your body is slim, wear a skirt or a pair of trousers which can help you hide those parts of your bodies which you want to hide, and combine it with an interesting simple top. The thing is that the same clothes can be worn by slim people. Jackets, for example, are very stylish among people of all sizes, from very slim to people of big sizes. What about garments with long sleeves? I hate them. Not because I'm fat, but because they're not comfortable for me. I usually make jackets and dresses with 3/4 sleeves. Some people hate 3/4 sleeves, but like long ones. The thing is that women shouldn't be classified by their weight and appearance. In my fashion house, we don't sew clothes for slim or fat people. We sew clothes for women. We want to help them be different and beautiful. Sometimes it's even harder to sew something for a slim person. You not only need to make a garment fit a person perfectly, you also need to make sure that a garment doesn't make a person look slimmer or bigger than she really is. It's much easier to sew for people of big sizes. As I've already said, my body is pretty perfect, square. It's very easy to sew something for myself. So the best thing to do is to combine different garments. A slim person can put a simple straight dress on. A person of a bigger size can wear the same dress and put a light jacket on top of it. It can be made of lace, organza, or cambric, for example. People of big sizes can also wear vests which cover the hips, decorate them with pockets or collars. The thing is that it's better for people of big sizes to wear clothes of complicated designs. Add different pockets, collars, princess seams, yokes, plackets, unusual darts and tucks. The most important thing is that the garment should fit you perfectly. Clothes should be stylish. What do I mean by saying stylish? Fashion experts often use these words. Stylish means of a perfect fit. Accurate seams, beautiful accurate armholes, perfect length, accurate tucks and darts. This is what style is actually about. People often ask me about baggy clothes. I get it. The less you want to take care of yourselves, the more you want to wear baggy clothes. I'm often told that I'm pretty lucky to have slim legs. Come on, guys, I spend at least half a day standing in front of a camera. I move a lot. I don't like sitting at one place. I need to always be doing something. How is it possible for my legs not to be slim? The less you move, the less time you dedicate to yourselves, the wider your clothes are. I realize that this is what makes you want to wear baggy clothes, decorate them with huge flounces, and so on. When I look at the people on the streets, I feel really bad. Of course, I don't tell them anything. I talk only to those people who come to me themselves. Ladies, please, wear stylish clothes. Forget about baggy trousers. Clothes should fit you well. What do I mean when I say that we should wear wide garments? I'm wearing a white top now. Have a close look at it. It's just a bit wider than needed here. It's not baggy. When I tell you not to wear close-fitting garments, I don't mean that they should be baggy. Make them just a bit wider than needed. Don't hide inside the clothes. Do not forget about accessories. Combine different outfits and find ways to decorate them. Ladies, I want us to be different and beautiful. We, people of big sizes, should think about our outfits more carefully. It's not recommended for us to wear simple tops and blouses. There should be different interesting details in them. Seams, yokes, bindings, pockets, and so on. If you want to hide the upper part of your body, wear a wide interesting blouse or shirt and combine it with a pencil skirt. If you want to wear slim jeans, but don't want to show your wide hips, you can cover them with a long shirt. It shouldn't be too wide. A top should be accurate and just a bit loose. This is what I want you to understand. We shouldn't wear close-fitting garments, but I shouldn't wear baggy clothes either. We don't want to look bigger than we really are, do we? As I've already said, I don't want women to be classified. Over 50, over 60, fat, slim. I hate it. I also don't understand why do people tell me what to do and what to wear. You can do whatever you want, and so do I. Don't tell me what I should and shouldn't sew and wear. I want to enjoy my life, and I want to enjoy yours too. Even if you are of a big size, don't think that it's bad. The worst thing you can do is to sit on a couch thinking that you are fat. Either learn to enjoy your life the way it is, or try changing it. Go to a gym, or try exercising at home. It's your life, and no one else can tell you what to do. It's a fact that I'm not slim. I spend half of my day standing in front of a camera. I honestly think that it's enough for me. I feel perfectly fine. I don't want to be classified. I am of a big size, and I'm 60. So what? I want to wear a red necklace with peppers, and I'm going to wear a red necklace with peppers. People over 60 shouldn't wear high heels. What? I want to wear high heels, and I will do it. It doesn't matter whether I'm 50, 55 or 60. Oh wait, I am already 60. Does it mean that I should be classified as a person who is almost 70? I don't agree. Women shouldn't be classified. I don't know what a dress for a big size is. I can wear absolutely the same clothes as slim girls. Ladies, please, don't listen to anyone. The only thing that matters is what you want to sew and wear. What about colors? I've already talked to you about colors. Every fashion stylist thinks that she or he has to give us advice on which colors we should wear. People over 50 should wear only neutral colors. Beige, gray. Don't draw attention to yourselves. What? What if I do want to draw attention to myself? Ladies, stop thinking about yourselves as members of some groups. When a customer comes to my fashion house, we can't classify him or her. Fat, slim, over 50, and so on. We tell everyone not to worry. We promise to make them look different and beautiful. The most important thing is that we sew accurately. You will always look stylish wearing an accurate garment which fits you perfectly. If you learn to sew this way, you will stop wearing baggy clothes which hide your bodies. I also want you to learn to create different outfits. Do not forget about simple rules. Make tight shoulders in tops. If you don't want to show your arms, you can cover them with lace sleeves. Use your imagination. Make different flounces. They just shouldn't be huge. I don't want you to hide behind them. I decided to shoot this video because I got tired of these questions. Women shouldn't be classified according to our age or weight or anything else. I also wanted to tell you not to listen to anyone who tells you to wear only boring neutral colors. Beige, gray. I want us to be different and beautiful. Use your imagination. Don't be afraid of experiments. Remember that practice makes perfect. Don't think that it's impossible for you to look good. It is. As I've already said, don't listen to anyone else but yourselves. If you want to wear clothes of bright colors, do it. If you want to wear clothes of unusual designs, do it. The thing is that whatever you wear, these clothes should look and fit you well. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful every day. Forget about classifications. Everyone is unique and special. I hope that you find my videos useful. My name is Paukštė Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I'd really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.